Okay, next we're going to combine like terms to solve. And I'm going to be working examples from page 89, numbers 7 through 12. So, steps involved. Number 1, you want to combine like terms. Okay, and we're going to be adding and subtracting integers with fractions and decimals. So we have to remember all those rules. And then step 2, we're going to solve for the variable using inverse operations. The inverse operation of division is multiplication, and the inverse operation of multiplication is division. We're going to see what that looks like. So starting with number 7, I have 4/5 x minus 1/4 x equal to 11. Always start by writing the problem, okay? And we're going to write until we have one answer. So these kinds of problems require a lot of work. So 4/5 x minus 1/4 x equal to 11. So I'm going to subtract these two fractions, but first I need to have the same denominator. They do not. Okay, so I need to find their common denominator between 5 and 4, which is going to be 20. So what do I need to do to 5 to get to 20? I have 4/5. I need to multiply 5 by 4. So I'm going to do the same thing to the numerator. And for 1/4, what do I need to multiply 4 by to get to 20? 5. So I'm going to do the same thing to the numerator. Multiply, multiply. So after I do that, my new fractions are going to be 16 over 20 x minus 5 over 20 x equal to 11 still. Now they have the same denominator, I can subtract the numerators. 16 minus 5 gives me 11 over 20 x equal to 11. So when a fraction and a variable are that close together, we are multiplying. So now I'm going to use inverse operations to solve. If this is multiplying, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of the variable. The coefficient of this variable is 11 over 20. So I'm going to do my balance line. I'm going to divide. This fraction bar means to divide. I'm going to divide both sides by 11 over 20. Divide both sides by 11 over 20. Now I'm going to write it. I have 11 over 20x divided by 11 over 20 equal to 11 divided by 11 over 20. How do we divide fractions? We use the SIR method. S-I-R. Same, inverse, reciprocal. First fraction stays the same, 11 over 20x. The inverse of division is multiplication, and the reciprocal of 11 over 20 is 20 over 11. That's the left side of my equation. I have to do the exact same thing. 11 as a fraction would be 11 over 1. The inverse of division is multiplication, and the reciprocal of 11 over 20 is 20 over 11. Notice how I did the same thing to both sides. I multiplied by the reciprocal of the fraction. When I do that on the left-hand side of the equation, the 11s cancel out, the 20 cancels out, and I'm just left with x. That's what I want. X equal to. Here, you multiply fractions by doing numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So 11 times 20. 11 times 20 is 220. So x is equal to 220 divided by 11. We want to make sure we simplify. So 220 divided by 11 would simplify down to 20. So x is equal to 20. And this would be my final answer.